Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In our last video, we learned how to write simple macro to sort or filter data. Today we will learn how to insert form control buttons which can run your macro whenever anyone clicks on it. These are also known as push buttons. Now, why should we add buttons? So these buttons are useful as everyone might not be familiar with running codes by going into VB Editor, but everyone can simply click on these buttons and get the job done. How you can add is pretty simple. You have to click on Developer, Insert, and this is the Form Controls section. We'll select the first option, which is Buttons. Now you have to press left mouse key and resize it as per your requirement. And as soon as you release the left mouse click, it will ask you to select the macro which you want to assign to this button. So I'll first assign the sort macro, and I'll add similarly one more button for filtering the data. Okay, now you can rename them by right clicking on the button and clicking on edit text. I'll name this as sort. You can give any name. I'll name this filter. Right. There is one more option like you can format this, change the format of this, like font type, font style, size, color, underlining, s- strike through, and all these options. There are a few more like alignment, resizing. So all these options are available. You can play around these. I'll just, for demo, I'll do this. I'll change the color, right? So as you can see, the size and the color is changed. Now, if you haven't seen my last video, the sort macro was prepared to sort this table based on alphabetically, right? So right now this is sorted based on the numbers. So let's see if this sort is working, right? So as you can see, the list is now sorted alphabetically, right? We'll check the filters. If you remember, filter was based on the department and to select the developers. So I'll click on this button to check, right? So as you can see, this list is now filtered based on values which are equal to developer. So similarly, if you have more macros and you want to assign more buttons, you can follow the same process. That's it for this video. Let me know how you like this in comments. I'll keep sharing more learnings about VBA in upcoming videos. So requesting you all to please subscribe to my channel to keep getting latest updates. Thank you very much.